So hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today we're gonna tell you how to apply filter on our website. So, for applying a filter, you have to come to the home page and you can see our web home page like this. So first of all you have to do, you can also tap the button there buy now, and you can also tap the button shop. And now I am clicking the button shop, and the all projects page is open in front of us. So we have to apply filter by clicking here. You can see here the filter and sort option is given here. Once again, here it is given. So you have to click it, and here you get all these four options where you can select price, size, availability, and sort by. So first of all we will click on the price if we want to change the range of price. So here you can change the range of price. Which price you want you can enter here. So, and you can apply by clicking it here. Then the second option is size, the main option, the main element of the filter that you can use this filter. So first of all, for example, if you want 40 size, so you have to select the 40 size and click on apply button. Then again you have to click on filter and sort button and click on availability. You can see the in stock button. You have to click the in stock option and then again click on the apply button. Then the piece which are shown here, you can see here that all the pieces are in 40 size and all the available pieces will be shown to you, so you can easily select in your size. Thank you.